Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube video. But we're gonna vlog today and literally just talk about nothing. Literally watch me, get ready with me. Let's like do Pilates together. And I wanna do like about a 30 to 40 minute workout. But the thing is, I want these workouts to have breaks. Because usually when you work out, they give you no break. Like, at least when I was on the Stairmaster yesterday, like I had my water with me and I could grab my water. But baby, I can't be doing donkey kicks and try to grab my Stanley, my big old Stanley at the same time. So hopefully some of these little videos got some little breaks in them. But first off, I need like a clean space. So things that I do, like I have this light and it just gives a whole vibe. I can change it to any color I want. Right now I'm feeling very pinky, as you can see. I have a little pink shirt on. Cleaning, like I like to clean my room and just kind of get everything out the way. And my personal trainer bought me another yoga mat, so I'm gonna get the yoga mat out. I'm gonna get the yoga mat out just so I could get the feel like I'm at Club Pilates. I need to make a very vibe out my room. I just love having it clean and just feeling like very music, like And sometimes I like putting like my speaker on, but I don't know, the ADHD really be kicking my butt. So instead, I don't do that sometimes, but I just listen to like the music or whatever it gets me just to stay focused. So come with me and watch me clean up for the first part. Baby, you ready? So y'all, I just got done working out and I feel pretty good. It was pretty much like a beginner Pilates class, but honestly, I just feel like anything is better than nothing, to be honest. And it's about to snow, so that's really why I'm working out here at home. But I know I definitely did some workouts at home previously, but I just think it's better when you can't go to the gym than do something at home that you just kind of feel like comfortable with. And honestly, if you get it done, it's beginner, it's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's something, because I feel like a lot of the times, not every day is, oh, I have 100%. Like, man, I got 5%, but this 5% is going to remind me to come back the next day. You know what I mean? That 0% is not going to remind me. That 0% is really going to tell me to actually stop doing what I'm doing and not continue to motivate myself and things like that. But I just want to say thanks, y'all, for watching. I pretty much am just going to go to bed. Maybe watch a movie with my mom. She seems like she would ask me to. But like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any new videos that you would like to see from me. If you like anything about my content, anything that you want to look forward to more, please tell me. Please comment. And yeah, bye.